Forging links.
Forging links.
Forging links, one person at a time.
Hey, my HyperVerse family. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kirsten, and today I'm going to take you through setting up a Binance account. For those who are going through the process for the first time, this way you can refer your people as they jump on board this amazing train. You can refer them to videos like this and they can walk through the process themselves, and then if they have questions they can come to you afterwards, and it just streamlines everything for everybody. I'm doing this from New Zealand and I can assume that the process is the same from wherever you are. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is we are going to go to a search engine. We're going to look for Binance. Here we have Binance, and we are going to register a new account. Now it's going to ask for your country of residence. Put in your email address and create a password. And if you've got a referral ID, you can put that in. It doesn't matter if you don't. Create account. Slide to complete the puzzle. It's going to email you a verification code. Now we are in. Welcome to Binance. Says up here, you are required to complete intermediate verification to access Binance services. So you can't buy crypto or deposit money into your Binance account until you're verified. Okay, so we're going to go across here to verify. And you're going to go through the personal verification process. You're confirming your country. And then you're going to go through this part here. There you go. Now, the first thing that you want to do before you go into this verification is download the app on your phone, because that's where you can do your facial recognition. They're going to want your personal information, government issued ID. Now, I've been with people and used both driver's licenses, photo ID, and passports. I think passport's your best bet, and they're going to want facial recognition, and they say it takes 10 days. I've had people where it's taken 3 days. I've had people that have it's taken a couple of hours. So it just depends on how busy they are. All right, once you've got everything ready, we're going to hit start now. I'm going to put in the details. And when you do this, you're clicking on this little calendar here and using the numbers here. You're putting a year in first, residential address. And then you're putting in what you're using. So in this case, we're using a passport, but there's the option to use a driver's license. Then it's telling you that you need to take a photo of the passport. Quite fussy with the photos that come through and the formats that they're in. I had uploaded the passport photo, and it takes me to this one, identity verification. Take a selfie. So we'll put the selfie in. Facial recognition. Completed this facial recognition on the phone, on the app. So just completed this on the phone, and you're going to see this screen. It says under review. You will receive an email once verification is complete. Okie doke. See here, it says under review, and they will email as soon as that verification has passed, or they'll tell you that they weren't satisfied with something. So that's the verification process. Now we just wait until we get an email telling us that it has been verified or that it wasn't verified. Usually if it's not verified, it's usually something to do with the photo. They don't like the photo, but yeah, now we wait. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.
Forging links.
Forging links.
Forging links, one person at a time.